Supplying your yearbook images to Scantex will allow us to either flow those images directly into an InDesign page for you or our online portal, or actually supply them back to you in a renamed format that you can easily use for each grade. So in this example, we're looking at the index file of the photo CD, and you can tell it's already organized by last name, first name, the grade, and the student, and the image name. And what Scantex has done is actually rename them for you, putting the last name first. And in addition to that, we're actually going to embed the student's name right within the file itself. So in this example, if we open that file, we take a look at the title, it will have student first name and then last name. This will be great for using it within InDesign. As an example, we'll go through our InDesign template, and this is something Scantex can supply for you, or we can help you configure your own template so that this is a nice simple process. All we need to do is load our sample images, so we'll take a couple just to begin with, put them in, and then we're going to use something within InDesign called the Caption. So we'll select our images, and we open up the Caption dialog box. So we go down to Caption, and in this example we're going to look at how it's set up. And we can see that it's going to use the title. So recall that's our student name. And in addition, there's an extra field here that has description. So we don't need this for now, we're going to delete it. But if we did want to, we can actually put like graduation comments in there or additional information that we can flow into the image or below the image whenever we need. So now that we've done that, all we have to do is select our images and generate a static caption. And you'll see right below the image, we'll put the name, and then you can edit that as needed. Nice and simple, you don't have to worry about any of your spelling. So if you want, give us a call and we'll help you out with this.